I35equipment.com. This is the case in New Holland D95B XLT Bulldozer. Welcome you to come look at this machine over yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire someone from the company if you like. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. We do send equipment all over the country, so getting this shipped to you shouldn't be too big an issue. Show up more on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with you with the best hauling weight crate that comes back. It is a legal load. With the blade fully tilted, it is 102 wide. It does have the hydraulic rippers and that 6-way blade. Full cab, factory HVAC. Have the blade there for you. You see he's got the work lights on, 4 working work lights in the front. You see he's got good power. He does have that rear cab guard screen. Dual working work lights in the rear. The hydraulic rippers have 2 ripper shakes. A little dirt for you. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, check out our website to learn more about our consignment sales service, or just call 405-833-6437. Go around to the other side real quick, and that way you can see the other carriage working on this side. We'll let him park it, climb out, and then we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around. It is a chilly morning here, so if you'll bear with me, we'll check this all out, then we'll hop up in that cab. Get out of the wind. Does have some new lines here as well as new fittings. There's that rear cab guard screen. Pretty cool machine. Love that it's a legal load.
He's got the work lights on here. Turn those off. Let's go ahead and check out everything else. I'm just gonna cycle through the info screen. Trip 1, trip 2. Here's your current info. Your throttle and left handle control. That's going to control your tracks. This controls reverse slower than forward or faster than forward. Radio doesn't seem to be hooked up, but I might just be doing it wrong. Okay, this is going to be for your rippers, and this is going to be controlling the blade. I was gonna say I don't think there's anything back here, but I'd be wrong. Check it out. There's looks like the owner's or operator's manual here. Better to have some than to have none. Got some plans for development. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Oh, before we go. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but the only way I know to actually figure out how to see the hours is to turn it off. Before I do, I just want you to see to get the parking brake off. Like most kids in New Hollands, you are going to actually be moving. So let's get this blade up. All right, make sure the rippers are up. Rippers are up. Cool. I'm gonna put it in gear. Yeah, it works as an auto parking brake. So just didn't want you to think there's an issue with the parking brake. All right. So as I was saying though, I'm sure there's a better way to do it. The way I know to check out the hours is to turn it off, and then 3417. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and hope this video was beneficial to you. As always, see your full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online, www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.